Welcome to the Sound Beast AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate and manage text-to-speech in Sound Beast AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI Text-to-Speech. Here you can generate AI speech from text. Just pick your language from the drop-down. Your voice creator. You can listen to your creator before converting.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Just add your text in the text area. You can listen to your text.
Dynamic and powerful way to connect with a vast audience, build brand awareness.
Download it. You can add a pause between text. Just click on Synthesize and your voiceover will be ready. You can play the voice.
Social media marketing is a dynamic and powerful way to connect.
You can see details of your voice. Download the voice. You can view your voice file. Share your file on social networks. You can delete your voice file. Thanks for watching the video.